Hello, English learners! Welcome to ESL Tutor for All. Today we have a great lesson planned. We're going to dive into 50 essential everyday English phrases that will significantly boost your conversational fluency.
Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to sound more natural, this is the video for you.
Learning individual words is great, but real conversations are built with phrases. These 50 phrases will help you navigate daily routines, express your feelings, share opinions, and connect with people more naturally.
We'll break down each phrase with a clear definition and a practical example, and then I'll give you time to practice saying them yourself. Remember, consistent practice is key. Listen for the sound and repeat the phrases. You can even create your own sentences to make it more personalized. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
Daily routines and basic needs.
Good morning, a common greeting used in the morning before noon.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning.
How are you? A polite way to ask about someone's well-being.
Hi, John. How are you today? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? A common response to how are you? Hi, John. How are you today? I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you? Excuse me. Used to get someone's attention politely or to apologize for a minor interruption.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Excuse me.
Please. Used to make a polite request.
Can you pass the salt, please?
Please.
Thank you. Used to express gratitude.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The polite response when someone thanks you. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Sorry. Used to apologize for something.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there.
Sorry.
No problem. An informal way to say you're welcome or it's okay.
Thanks for picking me up.
No problem.
No problem. I need. To state something you require.
I need to buy some groceries.
I need.
I would like. A polite way to say I want.
I would like a coffee, please.
I would like.
How much is it? Used to ask the price of something.
This shirt is nice. How much is it?
How much is it?
Where is? Used to ask for directions or location.
Excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop?
Where is?
Can I help you? A polite offer of assistance.
You look lost. Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Can you repeat that? Used when you didn't understand something and want it said again.
Sorry, can you repeat that? I didn't understand.
Can you repeat that?
What time is it? Used to ask about the current time.
What time is it? I need to leave soon.
What time is it? Could you speak slower, please? A polite request for someone to talk less quickly.
I'm still learning English. Could you speak slower, please?
Could you speak slower, please?
What's your name? A basic question to ask someone's name.
Hi, what's your name?
What's your name?
My name is. How to introduce yourself.
My name is Ravi.
My name is.
Social interactions and small talk.
Nice to meet you. A polite phrase said when meeting someone for the first time.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you.
See you later. A casual way to say goodbye, indicating you'll meet again soon.
I have to go now. See you later.
See you later.
Have a good day. A polite way to wish someone well for the rest of the day.
Bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
How's it going? An informal or casual way to ask, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going?
Not bad. A common neutral response to how are you or how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, thanks.
Not bad.
What do you do? Used to ask about someone's job or profession.
So, what do you do for a living?
What do you do?
I work at. To state where you are employed. So, what do you do for a living?
I work at a local school.
I work at.
What do you think? To ask for someone's opinion.
I like this idea. What do you think?
What do you think?
I think that. To introduce your opinion. I like this idea. What do you think?
I think that's a great idea.
I think that.
I agree. To express that you have the same opinion as someone else.
Yes, I agree. That sounds perfect.
I agree.
I don't agree. To express a different opinion.
I'm sorry, but I don't agree with that point.
I don't agree.
That's a good idea. To express approval for an idea.
Let's meet for lunch.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Sounds good. A casual way to say you approve of a plan or suggestion.
Let's meet at 7. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
How was your day? A common question to ask someone about their day.
Welcome home. How was your day?
How was your day?
It was good. A simple answer to how was your day? Welcome home. How was your day?
It was good, a bit busy, but productive.
It was good. Long time no see. Used when you haven't seen someone in a while.
Long time no see, Mark. How have you been?
Long time no see.
What's new? To ask if anything significant has happened since you last spoke.
So, what's new with you these days?
What's new?
Nothing much. A common casual response to what's up or what's new. So, what's new with you these days? Nothing much, just the usual.
Nothing much.
Are you free? To ask if someone is available at a certain time.
Are you free tomorrow evening?
Are you free?
Expressing feelings, opinions, and more.
I'm happy. To express a feeling of joy or contentment.
I'm happy about the good news.
I'm happy.
I'm sad. To express a feeling of sorrow. I'm sad that I need to stay home. I'm sad.
I'm tired. To express a feeling of needing rest.
I've been working all day. I'm so tired.
I'm tired.
I'm hungry. To express a need for food.
What's for dinner? I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty. To express a need for a drink.
It's hot outside. I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
I'm excited. To express a strong feeling of enthusiasm or eagerness.
I'm excited for the concert tonight.
I'm excited.
I'm bored. To express a feeling of weariness or restlessness due to lack of interest.
There's nothing to do. I'm bored.
I'm bored.
That's interesting. To show you find something curious or engaging.
You went to Japan? That's interesting.
That's interesting.
Good luck. A wish for someone to succeed.
You have an exam tomorrow? Good luck.
Good luck.
Take care. A friendly way to say goodbye, wishing someone well.
It was great seeing you. Take care.
Take care.
Amazing work, everyone. You've just practiced 50 essential everyday English phrases. Remember, the goal isn't just to memorize them, but to understand them and use them confidently in your daily conversation.
Here are some takeaways from this lesson. Practice consistently. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll become. Listen actively. Pay attention to how native speakers use these phrases in context. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity.
We encourage you to go back through this video, pause, and practice each phrase again. Try to create your own unique sentences using these phrases.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more English lessons. Let us know in the comments below if you found this lesson useful and what you would like to learn next.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
See you soon!